This is Gary Atencio with CNTV, and today we're in Illinois. I am here with Epic Mortgage. Since 2019, this award-winning team knows the perfect home is waiting for you, and they can find you the perfect loan. I am joined here with the founder and award-winning mortgage broker, Dante. Thanks so much for joining us here today.
Hey, thanks for having me.
I'm going to start off a little bit about yourself. You're formally educated at McMurray College in Illinois, with over 2 decades of experience as a branch manager, account executive, mortgage consultant. I mean, you have served many companies like Transamerica, while also as a president of your own full-court services marketing firm. Share with us why you decided to expand the Epic vision to consumers.
Really, I wanted to expand because I felt like I could help people, first and foremost. I've always had a passion to help people, and I feel like that's my purpose in life. And if I can educate people and make wise decisions for themselves, I thought I would put them in a better situation.
I mean, Dante, you're in the business of empowering people, from first-time home buyers to refinancing and everything in between. Unlike bank lenders, do you work with different lenders, and can you find funding when maybe others cannot?
Definitely. We have a traditional path that we can go down, but we also have a non-traditional. I work with about 36 different banks and lenders all together across the country. Really provides an opportunity for consumers never to be turned down, always an option for everyone.
Excellent. I mean, so let's first begin with those who are purchasing a home. Would you say it is still the American dream to own a home? And do you enjoy assisting those first-time home buyers?
I do. I still believe that is the American dream, to have your own house, really creating equity and generational wealth, something that you can pass on to your kids and your future generations. So I still believe in the American dream, and I'm just trying to do my part.
Excellent. I mean, choosing a purchase loan product that matches your goals can be a bit overwhelming. I mean, are there many options you can offer for consumers based on each individual? I mean, I imagine this is not a one-size-fits-all, and your approach is personalized, would you say?
Definitely. I try to take the coach mentality, really understand where someone's coming from. Starts with listening and seeing what they're trying to achieve, and then obviously just trying to find the right opportunity, the right product and program that'll fit their needs.
I mean, what about those who are maybe already have a home and they're considering refinancing that home? Is this an easy way to take some cash out of your investment, or even maybe save some money on high interest rate credit cards?
Definitely. I would even say Epic Mortgage wouldn't be here today if I didn't have equity out of my house. So it can start your own personal dreams, whether you want to start your own business, or if you do want to pay off some of that high interest credit card debt. Owning a home provides so many different opportunities for each and every person. It's definitely worth the conversation to see how we could take advantage.
Definitely helped you build your dream as well, just having equity in your own home. I think that's kind of exciting for folks out there. I mean, there are many steps in the loan process. One question that many may have and not understand is, what is underwriting? And how do you ensure your clients are ready for that step?
Definitely. I mean, obviously, underwriting overall is the aspect of each bank and lender doing their own due diligence. And they do their due diligence by basically reviewing your credit, your income, and your assets, and determining if you're worthy enough to obtain the loan. So obviously, there is a pre-approval stage where we kind of prep our clients to make sure they're ready through their underwriting stage so we can obtain their goals and their dreams.
I mean, you teach how to secure the best mortgage, not just the best rate. I mean, you have even written a bestseller on that topic. Tell us what the reader will learn in that guide.
Yeah, thank you. The Ultimate Mortgage Guide. It's a personal treasure of mine. But yes, obviously the concept was to really educate people on just, going through the mortgage process. Not everyone has done this recently, and it's always constantly evolving and things change. And I think one thing people and readers will take away from it is that you want to have a financial team. You want to have resources around people that can really hold your hand and walk you through and sometimes this mortgage maze.
I mean, speaking of holding your hand, regardless of what type of loan you need, I'd say we, the public, have heard the horror stories and how hard it is to qualify, the mounds of paperwork you have to provide, maybe difficulties, delays. Is this where your expertise comes in to really navigate the mortgage maze for the consumer out there?
Yes, indeed. Yes, indeed. 21 years of experience. I've worked with over 2,000 clients. This is my opportunity to really help you, hold your hand, walk you through so you can get your goals and your dreams accomplished.
I mean, it can be an exciting process, but with lack of communication throughout, I hear it can be frustrating for many. How important is follow-up and communication with your client?
Communication is very key. And, especially nowadays, we have to be able to communicate in all different facets. Some people want to DM me, some people want to text me, some people want to talk on the phone, some people want to email. So, I have to have that ability as kind of a jack of all trades to be able to communicate in all different fashions so I can really meet my client where they are and where they feel most comfortable.
In your industry, pre-approval is power. What should the public have ready for you in terms of documents to make that process of getting pre-approved maybe even faster?
Sure thing. I would first say it really depends on what they're trying to do. And based on the information I gather, it'll take me down a certain path. Basic documents are, tax returns, obviously for the last 2 years, bank statements, of course, showing proof of assets, and obviously, just how you get paid. So really determining how a person makes money is going to help me guide them on what documentation I'm going to need in order to get them pre-approved.
Excellent. Dante, at the end of the day, this is about helping people live a better life and get their dreams. Be it as an author or providing homefront insights in video online, do you enjoy educating the public?
I do. I really do. My mom was a teacher, and so I kind of, always wanted to have my own form of teaching, and this is how I view it, that I'm a financial teacher. I'm a financial coach. My guide is to guide people and educate them, answer their questions and just, like I said before, just try to do what I can, do my part to help them achieve their goals.
Teaching definitely runs in the family, and this is just an extension of that for you. Passion, experience, diligence is what you and your team provide. You empower lives through financial literacy, coaching your clients while prioritizing relationships over transactions. Is this rewarding work for you?
It is, and it's not just me. Obviously, the Epic team is here for everyone, and that's what I really take great pride in, that I've found people that wanted to follow and go with me on this journey of helping as many people as we can, many families, and like you said, just really changing people's lives.
Excellent. Viewers, let's take a look at the bottom of the screen right there. What you're going to see is their website. On the website where you can begin the application process right there. They're an accredited A+ business with the Better Business Bureau. You can order his book right there on Amazon as well. Also, check out his background. We're talking over 2 decades of experience. You can also see some of his team that will be there to serve you and kind of help you through that mortgage maze as you're putting your dream together and getting that home that you want. If you have a question about the mortgage process, make an appointment today, because a home loan is too important really to leave to amateurs or a big bank who doesn't have your best interest in mind. Choose a professional that wants to make home ownership really achievable for all. Once again, that is Epic Mortgage. Your dreams, your goals, let's plan together. This is Gary Atencio with CNTV, and if you don't know, now you know.